Alright, dudes. Today's we're doing it. The day. Put swing arm in thing. Part 87. How to build swing arm. Okay-ish without right tools. Here we go. Buddy. Okay, bearings went in. Easier than the first time, but now they don't fit the thing very good, like they did the first time. Wait, whatever. Time to get all this off. Get the old one out of here, and then, with laborious, intense effort, get the thing in there. So time lapse. Oh, look at that. It's gone. The old one is out. Here's comparison. Served me well. Now, let's get the... Oh! Gotta finish the grease fitting. And here we go. It's got these two guys because that side of the frame moved that way a little bit. I had to move it to make the engine fit right, or have clearance for the chain. So these guys are now necessary, but not on a stock machine. Get off my leg. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes. Okay, maybe that's not clear. Thing out of old thing. At this point. You can see. No, you can't see what I'm doing. Over here. Let's go like that. Hey. Whoa. Oh. Okay. There we go. Nah, we're fine. pinch. Okay, you're all ready. Nice. That looks pretty good. Okay. First of all, you do fit. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, that's not the best actually, but whoa. Yeah, leave big scratches everywhere. That's great. Oh. Oh. Hey. Ow. Oh, we got him. I think we can put the axle in now. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. This thing's a lot longer than the old one, so it's too low to put the wheels on. So that's not high enough, so that's scary. It needs to be a lot higher. We'll just keep going. Okay. Goodbye, O-ring. Isn't that funny? I do have another O-ring. Nicety, nicety, nice. Oh, but you know what? We will grease it because we're good people. Okay, hang on a sec. More grease. Alright, all good. Nice. I can't believe I had another O-ring. That's hilarious. Brand new. Okay. Ow. It's not pretty, but it works. This about sums up this channel. Janky homemade stuff. Who knows? Alright, good as new. Oh. Yeah, it took my shoulders for a week. Oh. I should get those clippy thingies. You know what? Zoom out. Right. Too fat. Oof. We're getting there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. chain. Oh, my back. On. Alright, looking pretty good. It's touching there a little bit, but that sucks. But I'm gonna keep going because this is at full extension and it'll hardly ever be at full extension. So we're gonna try to get the wheels on, see where it sits, see what the clearance is, make the chain tighter as needed or whatever, or looser. Can't make it too tight, but it's looking good. So we're almost there, dudes. Almost. Let's go do more fast thing. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Nice. We did it, dudes. We got rid of that one. We're looking good. The chain is clearing the thing. It just wants to touch it at full extension, so that's a bummer. But that's okay, because I can just make another one and we'll have total clearance without doing the sideways thing with the bars. Nice. I'm learning as I go, obviously. That chain looks way exposed on the bottom. I'll see how well that goes. I think I'm gonna lower it, make it sit a little bit closer to the ground and see what we get. But that looks so sick. Cool. Alright, dudes. Thank you for watching today's episode of Can You Get Away with Doing It Wrong Without the Right Tools? The answer is maybe. I have to go ride it and break something. See how it goes then. Just have to, speaking of brakes, put that on. I got a longer line right there. So, thanks for watching, dudes. I hope you keep watching. This is not how you do stuff. You can learn. Well, never mind. That's presumptuous. Okay, thanks, dudes. Bye. I'm gone.